In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Dropbox Backup feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your application and then simply go ahead and scroll down to the settings tab. And then this is where you can simply go ahead and look for backup. If you don't find the backup tab on your application, then you will definitely find it on your web browser, where you want to simply go ahead and proceed by clicking on the profile icon on the top right of your screen. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and proceed by clicking on the settings tab. Inside of settings, you want to look for preferences, and inside of preferences, you want to simply go ahead and look for the automatically save email attachments and simply click on create here. You can simply set it up here. There is also going to be a backup tab right over here where you can simply go ahead and set it up. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.